Well, here it is. Excuse me. Oh, you must be the new kid. Yes, I am. So, are you new here to grade 9, 10, 11, or 12? Grade 12. Oh, that's room number 4. There's an entrance behind this room that leads through to the... Oh, sorry, I think something broke upstairs. I will fix it when we're done talking. And it leads through the side of the room of the grade 9. And when you go forward, it leads to the room of the grade 10. And then you move to the right, it leads to the room of the grade 11. And then if you go away front and you're right again, you'll find your class. Thanks.